In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trusted phone number in HubSpot 2020. This process is designed to increase the security of your account by making sure that any changes or access requests are verified through a method that only you can control, your phone will set. Let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. First things first, we need to head over to the HubSpot user guide. This is essentially the control center for setting up and managing your account settings. You can access this through your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, look for the Help or User Guide section, usually located in the menu at the top or side of the dashboard. Clicking this link will navigate you to the comprehensive guide tailored for users of the platform, and it serves as a central hub for adjustments and settings. Next, you'll want to locate the Settings option in your user guide. This is where you can adjust different aspects of your account. In most cases, the settings will be represented by a gear icon, a universal symbol for configuration, making it easier to identify at a glance. Click on this to proceed to the Settings dashboard. Remember that this dashboard is where all your user preferences are managed, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with other settings while you're here. Once you've entered the Settings dashboard, the next step involves navigating to the Security settings. Security is paramount in maintaining the integrity of your account, and HubSpot facilitates this by allowing you to manage your security preferences easily. Look out for a tab or link labeled Security and click on it. This section is your go-to for adding extra layers of protection. It's designed to help safeguard your personal information and ensure that any access to your account is secured. Now, within the security settings, you'll see an option to add a trusted phone number. This is an important step as it enables an additional verification process, which can be crucial in preventing unauthorized access to your account. Click on the Add a Trusted Phone Number link. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure you input the number accurately and consider double-checking it to prevent any future verification issues. After entering your phone number, HubSpot may send a verification code to your phone. This step verifies that the number you've added is correct and accessible by you. Once you receive the code, input it into the verification field provided on the platform. This confirms your phone as a trusted number, and it will now be used in future security verifications. That's it! You've successfully added a trusted phone number in HubSpot 2020. Keeping your account secure is crucial, and by following these steps, you've added an essential layer of protection. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to keep your account and information safe and secure.